At Alma College, we just don't build future teachers, we build future leaders that know how to take care of our next generation of students, or in whatever occupation that they might choose. They learn how to lead. So our program is award-winning. It is a phenomenal teacher education program, but it's not just our department. It's our campus community. It's our campus culture that actually helps to form these future teachers to be good decision makers about their career and how to work with students with disabilities and students without disabilities. I had a student call me last week and he said, I had an interview at 2 different schools. And when I walked away from the interview and the pay was going to be nearly the same at both schools, he said to me, I know who needs me the most. And it might have been the more difficult population of students in looking at the comparison of how the schools perform through their data. But he knew, because of his Alma experience, because he had been on sports teams, because he had been so involved in the community, that he wanted to be able to make the broader impact on these students at the place that needed him most, and that did not scare him away. Now, talk about a proud moment for a professor that had been with him for 4 years and the advisor to say, you really do want to bequeath to future generations the greatness of what Alma College has taught you and how to make the world a better place.